Hi, this is Sarah from Ancient Hearts, and today I want to show you how to make your own body scrub. And this one is a very special one because it's a nice healing scrub for your self-care rituals, and it also gets rid of some pimples, and it will work very well and make your skin very smooth and nice, and you can use it in the bathtub where you burn a little candle and have a good time for yourself. So this is one of my all-time favorite recipes and I wanted to share it with you. So at first let's talk about the ingredients. And at first we need sea salt. This is just regular sea salt. You can also take crystal salt or Himalayan salt. And it just has to be a little thicker, and this is what we're going to take as a first base. So the second thing that you need is linseed oil. I always use it because it's very clear and nice and has not that much smell of its own. And we are going to use lavender oil, lavender essential oil, and some healing clay. To top this off and make it pretty and nice, I also have some lavender buds that will swim in your bathtub water and just give it a whole nice self-care ritual type of feeling. So it's actually pretty easy. We start off with the salt, and just put in whatever kind of measurement you like. So this is what I take right now, just pure wonderful salt, and I just put in the linseed oil, and I use like 4 to 5 spoons of this. That just mix it up and see how dry or it is, and if it's to your liking. The more oil you use, the more oily it will be when you use it on your skin, and it will leave your skin very hydrated and beautiful. So you can see the I don't know the word. It's like that. I'm so bad at making English tutorials. As you can see, it's a little bit squishy thingy. I don't even know the word. Please help me if you know the word I'm looking for. But this is how it looks right now. And to make this a little drier and and go on with what I'm going to do, I put in some of the healing clay and just mix it up. I could give you measurements, but I never use measurements actually. You just see whatever works for you is best, and I will show you how it looks and feels. You can always put in some more salt or more oil, or see if this looks a little bit muddy, like muddy stones or something, you're on the right path. So this actually looks super muddy. I want a little bit more of that. Oh, explosion. Okay. So now, yeah, that's good. It's muddy, but not that much, but you will have a hydrating effect. And it won't be super dry when you rub it into your skin. Now to make this smell super nice and give it a calming effect to your skin and also to your mind and emotions, I will put in lavender oil, and I just use whatever's left here. You can use however much you want. You just smell it and see if that works for you. This smells really strong already. And I just love the smell of lavender. It calms me down, especially when I take an evening bath before I go to sleep. And it's the perfect way to take care of your skin. And then you just, after doing that, you just put on some super nice fresh clothes and go into your bed, and you will feel like a freaking goddess. It's super nice. And the last thing I want to do is put in some lavender buds. It looks a little more pretty than the muddy thing, and they also give some smell. And of course, they also have the calming properties. So mix that up very well again. And now we have a beautiful body scrub. Well, actually it looks not that beautiful, but it will be beautiful. It will make you beautiful, and it will be a beautiful feeling to use it. And it smells really nice. I wish we could have YouTube make you smell this, because I'm looking forward to a bath. So the last thing you want to do is take a container. I often use these used glass containers. You can also use boxes that you used that were full with, I don't know, this was a hair mask before, I think. I love to recycle old boxes and storing thingies, so that we are doing some good for the environment. And so you can put your scrub in there and reuse this box like every time you make a new one. In this case, I'm using a big old glass container that I had sitting around, and I will put on my scrub in there to make this stay fresh. You can store it in your refrigerator, but it also stays fresh a long time when you just let it sit in the bathroom. So, and I see I have a lot of scrub, and this will last me for about a month or so, but we have like several people in this household that use our scrubs, so this will, if you use it on your own, just for yourself, it will probably last you longer. I use it for like 2 times a week when I do my self-care ritual bath, and this is, you just scrub it in. I know you all know how to use a scrub, I guess, so I'm not going deeper on that one. And this is already full. Oh, I think I measured that very well with my eyes, because this fills up the whole glass jar. Amazing. That's very good. So I have a glass jar full of my self-made scrub that is very environmentally friendly, just made with 5 ingredients, and it will absolutely enrich your self-care rituals. So if you have any questions or want to share your recipes with me, just do it in the comments or send me a message. And thank you. Yeah, well, Thank you. Just thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting Ancient Hearts. And thank you for trying this. Because if you feel good, I feel good too. Bye bye.